In this video we are talking about if Fantom is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, in the last 3 weeks we saw this explosive move from Fantom. From the down to the top we saw a move about 60%. And as we go on the daily chart we can see some very interesting things. In the last video we were at this prices right here. We were in this whole supply zone. And after we made this liquidity grab and this bullish daily candle close, I said that I moved into a long position on Fantom. And if we are breaking this high, and especially this high with a daily or weekly body close to the upside, that then the chances high that we see an explosive move from Fantom. I will show you now the clip from the last video. And after we saw this candle with the liquidity grab and this bullish close, I bought some Fantom for my hodl portfolio because I see very much potential in Fantom. And after we saw this price action right here, the chances high that we are going to higher levels again. So it's very important for me that we are breaking this last high right here. And if we're breaking this last high with a daily or weekly body close, then I want to see that we are breaking this high also to the upside, because then we are again in a bullish daily structure and we have the chance that we are going to higher levels again. And as you can see, we saw this bullish momentum on the daily candles. We broke this last high to the upside, and then we also broke this high to the upside with a daily body close with bullish momentum. As you can see, Fantom pumped with bullish momentum to the upside, and we also broke this supply zone, which caused the last break of structure to the downside. So this is a very bullish sign for Fantom. But now the question is, are we continuing with this bullish momentum to the upside, or do we see a move even to lower levels again? So right now Fantom is looking really bullish, but if we want to see an explosion for Fantom, this supply zone will decide if we go straight to higher levels or if we find some resistance right here. So if we are coming with bullish momentum into the supply zone and we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is very high that we see even higher prices for Fantom. But if we are coming into the zone and we see a bearish reaction right here, then I think the chance is high that we see lower levels again for Fantom. And it will also depend if Bitcoin is going to the upside, because when Bitcoin is going to the downside, the chance that the whole crypto market and other altcoins like Fantom are going to the downside is very high. But right now I'm bullish on Fantom, so I think the chance is high that we come into the zone and then we will see how we react at this prices right here. But after this explosive move from Fantom, it's also really normal that we are seeing a retracement. So if we are seeing a retracement right here, I would search for some long positions right here to buy more Fantom for the future and then hodl it to the upside. And I think the chances are, if we are coming back to the downside, that we are finding some support in this area which was a supply zone. And if we are seeing some support right here, then I think the chances are that we can see higher prices again for Fantom. But if anything interesting happens for Fantom, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Fantom. So all in all, congrats to everybody who took a long trade on Fantom. As I said, I moved into a long position right here on Fantom, and after we break this high and especially this high to the upside, we then saw this bullish explosion to the upside, and we are right now very bullish and also broke this supply zone to the upside. And I think the next important resistance area is the supply zone, because this supply zone right here caused the last break of structure on the higher time frame. So if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, and especially if Bitcoin is also going into a bull run, then the chance is very high that we see higher prices for Fantom. But it would be also normal if we are seeing a retracement, and I think the chances high that we are seeing in this area some support, because we broke this supply zone to the upside, and now the chances high if we are coming back to lower levels that we see some support right here. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.